Hello everyone, welcome to another short video of tutorials and tips from Text Corner. Thanks for watching. So, here you can see a thumbnail project that I was working on in the Affinity photo app for the iPad after the WWDC 2021 keynote from Apple. As you can see, I have the letters of the words iPad OS climbing up this mountain and then falling, as I wanted to show my disappointment with the new features announced by Apple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is for you to be able to move each one of these letters and even individually changing its color or edit as you wish. For now, I'll remove these letters so you can see how it's done. I'll start by selecting the Artistic Text tool and within it, select Art Text. Now, I'll select an area where I'm going to write the text. It doesn't matter where, because after I'll be moving it around the mountain as you have seen already. I'll adjust and set the letter type, size and color and write the text as I wish. In this case, I will write iPadOS 15. If I go check the layers of this project, I'll see that all the text is in just one layer. So if I would move it, I would move it all and not just one of the letters. To change this and be able to select every single letter, I just have to take a simple step. I go to the top menu and select these three dots. Then I move down the open menu and select Convert to Curves. And it's done. If I go back to check the layers of the project, a new group shows up. Clicking on the small arrow, it will open and show all the layers inside this group. And as you can see, now every single letter has its own layer. This will allow me to individually move, resize and edit any of these letters. And it's that simple. Using this method will save you time and gives you all the freedom needed to edit the work at your wish. Okay, beautiful people, thanks for watching. See you at my next video.